Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the bat from Hotel Transylvania. It's going to be simple, easy, 100% for beginners, so let's just jump right into it. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to start with kind of a curve for the face. Okay, going to continue back from the top here. Curve for the top. Over here on this side. Curve over here, pretty round head, you know, for the most part. Alright. Gonna go over here and draw one ear off out here. Pretty large ear. Curve down. Go over here on this side. Curve up. Down. Line over here. Go over here, line over here. Curve down. Let's go over here to the nose. And nose is kind of like a little heart. Split in the middle. Line, line. Go over here. Curve over here for the top of the eye. Curve over the top of this bottom of the eye. Over here for the other one. Line up. Go over here. We're gonna curve it around the side over here. Go right here. Smile. Fangs kind of sticking downward, right? These little triangles. Don't forget, if you like this kind of stuff, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. I'm going to be posting constantly, so definitely hit up the channel. Curve right here for the eye, and curve right here for this eye. Fill it in. Fill it in. Shoulder down. Shoulder down. Pulling a line up here for the wing. Knob up here. Down here for the other part of the wing. Same thing on this side. Pull up. That little knob. Downward. Go over here now. Curve right here for the body. Curve right here down for the body. Pretty elongated body. Down to the feet, you know, down to like the leg area. Curve right here for between the legs. Downward out, zigzag. By the way, I've never seen that movie, by the way. Hotel Transylvania. I need to watch it. I have not seen it as of now. I might watch it this weekend, and if I do, I'll let you know. Curve over here down. Pulling up. Over here on this side for the elbow. Pulling up. And now I'm going to do is I'm going to do the whole curve bat thing to the leg. Curve, curve, curve. Down right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in the framework for the actual, like the bones over here. So I'm going to go over here. Pull down edge. Down over here. Down over here. Down over here. Just for a few. Gonna go over the same thing. Over here. Down. Up. Down. Up. Right on. Let's put a little bit of shadow underneath his arm. Just a little bit. Fill it in. Pulling up. I'm gonna go down over here. Pulling up there. Kind of filling it out. And let's throw a little bit of shadow right here in the ear. right here in the ear. If you want me to draw any other Hotel Transylvania type characters, let me know. I will totally do it. You just gotta let me know, okay? Cool. Down over here. Oops, it is down over here. Just a little bit of shadow. Just gonna give it a little bit more presence, right? So last thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw a line around the outer border of this bat. If you like this, by the way, let me know. Hit the like, obviously, but also let me know that you like it by commenting. I really want to hear your thoughts on maybe what other characters to do on the channel. Definitely throwing a lot of different stuff onto the channel lately. I put my sketchbook on here. I'll probably do more tip videos just to kind of give everybody a good idea of what's up. I want to make the channel more filled out, so that's kind of like my idea, like fill it out with a lot of cool stuff. Sometimes it'll be easy like this. I'm gonna do later on this week, I'm gonna do Black Adam, tutorial on Black Adam. So also, if you have a drawing that you want to be featured, I'm going to make a video featuring some of the people drawing off videos here, or just your general art. Honestly, I'm going to feature it maybe once a month. So I want you to submit your art to, I think it's called, hold on, let me see, the email is called, one second, the email is showmyartwork@gmail.com. Send it there, okay? showmyartwork@gmail.com, and I will feature it on the channel, okay? So definitely let me know if you have something you want me to see or to show on the channel. I will totally do it. Just leave your name, and there you go. And I'll announce that. So thanks so much. I will talk to you in the next video, and I'll see you very, very soon, okay? See you later.